So hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I have a quick but very important announcement to share with you today. It's about the future of this channel and the content I create for you. So I want to be completely open and honest with you because you are the reason why I make these videos. So as you have realized, I haven't published videos for a while, and as you know, I'm French, I'm born in Lebanon and I live in Hong Kong for over 12 years now. I started this channel in English to talk about a deeper, bigger, global audience about business, entrepreneurship and life advice. But I have to be honest with you and with myself, creating videos in English is a big challenge for me. It's not my native language. Sometimes I feel I can't really express my ideas with the same depth or the same energy. And I want to be 100% authentic with you, to share my best advice and my true self. And I feel I can do that much better when I speak with my mother tongue in French. So after a lot of thoughts, I've decided to make a big change. From now on, I will be creating all my videos for this channel in French. Yeah. So this means I can be more natural, more clear, and share even more valuable insights with you. The topics will stay the same. It's about business, entrepreneurship, and life lessons from my experiences here in Hong Kong. But the language will change to French. So I understand that it might mean a lot of things to you. And now I know this might be surprising news, and I completely understand if you are an English speaker and this change is not what you signed up for. So if you decide to unsubscribe, I totally understand, no hard feeling, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support until now. But if you are still interested in the topics, even if you don't understand French, here's what you can do. You can turn on the English subtitles on my videos, and YouTube's automatic subtitles are pretty good, and I will also work to add accurate subtitles myself over time. This way you can still follow along if you want. My goal is really to build a more authentic and connected community, and I believe this is the right step. So again, I don't want to make a very long video just to say that. This was not an easy decision, but I believe it is the best one for the long-term quality of this channel. My old English videos will stay on the channel. I'm not going to remove them. You can still watch them at any time. And again, I want to thank you so much for listening. Thank you for your understanding, and thank you for being part of this journey with me. Your support means everything to me, and I'm excited for this new chapter, and I hope you will join me in it. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you. Cheers.